pork him this time round. You do your complain about the little pork. At least they give him a little lick back.
I'm glad him come say and go one. I'm glad him say one because the way them say 6 and I'm say. Yeah,
yeah. Me see my show him and my love.
Bless him. Oh, bless him.
Hey, you love it in a J, but not tell no lie.
You for go and leave me alone for Cutey, no Cutey, but I'm not going to wish him no bad. Most of them I love wanting.
Of course, we all know you love him, but you know what? Certain things need to change up right now. Probably you need to use a different kind of tactics Seh Dewey right now.
Cutey, too much damage already happened in the relationship. The grudges. I'm sad.
Oh, you tell that me we are talking to you while you're on the phone and I tell you that?
Yeah, I'm sad.
Oh, you tell that me we are talking to you while you're on the phone and I tell you that when you tell me not gonna wear? And me for still wear me there? I mean, you really tell that too?
Alright, you say a while ago I'm saying. Wait now, you say a while ago I'm saying slap me in my face because I'm telling him go suck your mother. Remember, you know, when me say to him, I said, don't tell me go suck my mother. Yeah. And him say that me to tell him. I said, why you tell me so then? You understand me, Cutey?
Yeah.
So when him a play back now, say, you didn't declare yourself for yourself. Because what I'm doing now, him grumble, when him they run him grumble and say some little rude some and then kiss him teeth and say, I'm a good man crazy to him, provoke me. He said, do what did you just say? Do me that you talk to you half an hour, you not answer me, and then you're grumbling in your mind like, so them little provoking thing the way I'm doing. Oh, me listen a while ago when him say I'm going to end my career. You can't tell it to end my career and never end doing. I get bigger and brighter. Don't threaten my career, madam. Low that.
But Jay, are you bust them? Them can't end your career. Are you bust the whole of them, Jay? Or them can't end your career and are you
no, me now. I ask you for my career, why end my career. And I mean, I can't see Canada sky.
That's what I'm saying. Are you a bust them?
Yeah. Me fed up with all of them I put in, all of them my bank and I get no interest. So what? My man is smarty. So true, Dewey's younger than me. Dewey's fed up and Dewey's hurt and Dewey's threatened. And I'm not threatened. You understand?
Jay, listen. I think you need to come back to the UK. Are you ready to come home? No, me no want. Yeah, me not believe that.
Cutey,
you're ready to come home, yes or no? Open your mouth and answer me.
Listen to me.
That, I
speak whenever I want to speak, not by demands, darling.
You ready to come home? But I asked you a question. I'm not a dummy. I don't understand.
Can I answer, darling?
Go ahead.
You asked if I want to come. They damn well know more and come back. I used to go to the airport, Cutey. I hear me say to leave me and provoke me.
Alright, we're going to get you a ticket for your comeback.
The ticket I'm for one only for money. So I wait to run the ticket them cheaper. Low blood clot. I'm not going to be able to find a breast. So I want to go back. I'm going to big man. You understand? Alright, man. When I want to go Cutey.
You just tell me some to send back to you some yesterday.
No, I know why you send for me, Cutey. And I told me now why you send for me. And then when me you cuss now, you tell me, so I just spent for you, bitch. Look, see my account there that I paid the money for you when you was in Jamaica suffering and doing something I need you when you was looking in the Canada sky.
Man, I ask Christ if you open your mouth to me, I take everything else till you too. You don't know about it. I don't just descend from your top, boy. No, I talk about everything.
Everything I remember. I said thing, God. You understand?
I like Jay, stop it, man. Sure, I joke where I run, guys. Don't listen to her, yeah?
Come back, coming back home. I pay so much money, come on, and 400,000 Jamaican dollar. That's a 2,000 pound fee ticket, them. Fuck off and leave me alone.
Listen, come home, man. Come home.
When we're ready, the pin of them miss me a little longer.
No, your grandkids miss you. Everyone miss you. We miss you. The dancehall scene miss you. Some it quickly, some it super. I love the actness. Yes, I love the actness. Hey, Queenie Seh,
I can't get this from Jamaica. I don't want to come over in the country. No, go and leave me alone, man.
No, we miss you.
I'm booking Saturday, Manchester.
See? The people them want hear the tune. I love the actness, yes, I love the accent. For me, Jay? You know I'm a tune that, you know.
Sir, Cutey, it's not singing time, I can't hunting time.
But the tracker off.
You know, you say
me have two soldier man friend out there. You want me call him for you? Me tell you something that my uncle a police out there. You want me call him for you?
You know, to say my artist. What kind of fucking stupid question that? You don't see my money I live life? What? I'm gonna take play like taxi, really? You don't see that I'm the queen? To his wife that he run away leaves?
Queen wife. Queen wife.
I do it over here. Now I do it. But I only a public disgrace. Leave me alone. Now I do it.
And I love Queen and her husband, man. She's just venting, guys. You know, it happens sometimes. Sometimes you don't want to confine in one person.
Career, darling. You can't end that. Thank God for internet.
Remember, we got provoke her about him going to studio, you know. So I never only thing either me I talk to. Honestly, when the people
them say do it, Dan. You have to start giving on them and tell them cut the crap. Cut the crap? What an insult to your wife.
And that you say nice song?
And it sound nice, you know.
Me have to go listen to it. Queenie, me listen to your one very rude, my love.
Yeah, man, somebody need to represent for you, girl, and forget them ice cream, man. What the fuck, woman? Every woman supposed to have that song up and repeat and forget them ice cream. It's equal rights.
Yes, you're right. Equal rights. Me can't bother. Boy, me not tell you like Queenie, as much as you think the man's telling, I think you're telling worse than your this track. Why you have to say something licky back? My husband, licky that. All of this thing, what? That's bad.
Yeah, man, I the urge from my inner man. Because when I see him post something on him story, I say, what an insult to me as a wife.
Oh, God.
Yeah, not just song. Okay, then I want just one song me sing back then.
Don't mind them, yeah. So them bad. Them man are bad like kids. I'm afraid of them. And you feel Queenie, you just let it out. Me not tell the lie. There's times I do the same thing.
You see, woman getting abused. A whole heap of take and sweep it under the carpet, and then the man them flip it. So them fuck plus them abuse we.
It's true, and it's common assault.
We abuse them mentally and physically many times, you know, but the most target is a woman get abused by men. We fix it under the car. I know something to do with me, I'm in a time, I hold it. You understand me?
I cry, I sweat, I sweat. Me know Queenie. Enough of them are going through it and them just sit down in a silence. You know, the deceitful man them.
I'm say Queenie, enjoy it while it lasts, because you do have some fun, you have some nice time with my husband. But when him cut on unkind, he is the most unkind mankind.
So let me ask you something. Do you feel like this is the end of it?
I know it is the end.
How do you know that? You've been through worse. This is not the end. I know you very well. You just love it.
Love what? No, you know, I hate Cutey.
What you ate going?
Say two, we are two bumble one. And we are play like I got done, you know, Cutey.
But too bad, you me tell you, you might answer, no, but too bad that one you not answer me, you know. I mean, you want dip on it. You might answer at two.
It's a very regular. I when the man said to me, say, crazy, I got dead bad. Me say, I got dead bad. Why are you planning me to dead bad? You not got dead bad. No, crazy, me not dead bad. Some abuse as well.
Him more bad.
Yeah, I can't trace. You know. Remember, I said Jamaica, dirty sketcher boy, them. The whole of them can't trace. The gunman them, the scammer them, the robber them, the whole of them bumper.
And then forget Kamuma Lashi.
Them rank. You see me about today, see? You saw them drop film, blood clot draws the film wife. Hey. And I'm a big man, you know, I'm around 48, you know. Yeah, I'm getting a pussy, a sample pussy, move your blood clot.
Jesus Christ.
Because, you know, I'm a big party idea because they're rude, you know. So, when you give them rudeness, them can't take it.
That's true. And me, you see all them stuff, them have to fling a little long time. And I tell the lie, we have to go fight and do.
It's why we abuse one another. Moving a blood clot, and now we are not victim. It's why we are two dear mates. And I must think do easy, do it loud and awful like our.
Yes, honey.
Why you liberty now? Why am I come out like now?
We come to see.
Cutey.
Go on, what happened?
I deserve better for you. I need not a better man. I would have never give my husband as a man. With nobody. It's great.
What's the liberty? That's what I want to hear. What happened? Why you come back live?
The liberty when I hear him say, I have to make him talk because he can't do my career. Do we stop so that you can't make my force you have to come talk? What kind of secret you have for me?
Queenie, do we have said that from 90, when I know him can't start and I don't know career of yours? Like,
you want to tell my career?
I think that's just a figure of speech for him. He can't do nothing. Don't mind him. He's been saying that for ages. You forgot to see him think to your same, sir?
It burned me,
Don't pay my mind, man.
Give him a career, Me mash up him career. No, I'm not mash up your career. I endorse your career. Go and go sing more songs.
So, you do that when you put him out there? How did you mash up anything for him and it's you that put him out there and give him a platform to even go ahead and do his thing?
Then that me I tell us the youth me it's not right towards me. That's why I know it not going away. I'm not giving no credit. I mean alone praise for him, boast for him.
Yeah man, that's a nice man. Him supposed to be got bad so bad me not turn the line and my wife bring me a fire, my wife this, my wife that, enough little things
I think he said it behind my back.
But you want
I give me that complaint on this. Then I tell you I come out of the hospital and tell him and say, do you give me a hug a 4 hour now and him say, crazy. You tell me to hug you after the customer up in the hospital. What? You put me in the hospital.
But him just damage your face and you still want a hug, so what's the problem?
Yeah man, he use me, abuse me for truth, man. And then I come bolt up, both say me can't get in a car, how me gonna get car?
We are like a your worst enemy. What are you his ups or something? What's going on?
Don't mind him, I tell him anywhere in the world, when you dig hole, you dig 2 do it. You say they are showing up your little self, baby. Pray for your wife, remember me have your name, behave yourself. I still I tell you, remember get my vehicle.
Really? Don't worry about doing it, yeah. I just want you to come back to England. Give him a break. Leave him.
Now worry about doing. We cannot get up on the worry about doing. That is impossible, Cutey.
Jay, myself leave him, make him go around the streets and find out and
listen, you're talking as a person.
Yes.
Well, I not do me run down Cutey. I'm a care, me worry about. I worry about the fact that him gone with the blue sky.
So why is the friend, whoever that's got the car, why don't they return the car and stop playing games with Dewey before one of them get into a situation?
I don't know who have my car, them sell my car. It's a liberty.
You tax the chin?
Who name chin? If you never catch me to put the class in jaw, me talk.
For minute you said Dewey and him talk.
Yeah, but me see him do it with Chin brother. I'm Chin brother friend. Remember them my friend long time.
So can't you contact Chin brother for say, you have the car, bring the car? You ain't got that number?
No.
Girl, you need to punch the 911 at down at Jamaica. So me no know, call Scotland Yard do something.
I thought me I call man, me soon get to me forget.
Yeah, they need to bring that car back. It's simple as.
So me I sweat, me I set out me.
You need to read that. Give me the car reg and let me put it up and see if they will get the car returned.
You gonna do a Cutey?
Give me the car reg. Let me get somebody to put it up and see if we catch a car.
38, 23.
Yeah, man, you talk too fast. You see what I'm like? Let me write it down. Yeah, 38.
38, 23.
23.
KE.
KE. Alright, I got it. May I send it to a couple soldier man when I know? Boy, if you know people them can't bring it back, cause no the soldier people them deal with people at Jamaica. That's all I'm gonna say. Bring it back. I don't got call Queenie, message Queenie and say, yeah, what take your call?
I
don't know to the soldier people them
all of them lungs from there. Yes, so
I'm not
I
leaving nothing.
You
My
know
friend
what
called me and add
liberty
me over here and talking to me.
You know what the liberty is? If you so can't stand me and can't take my message, discuss it. Why you hold on for my things and tarnish me? I mean, that's sense. You understand me? I know I'm baby where you hold on for. That's the vehicle material thing.
Yeah.
Didn't want my car.
I think he's just winding you up, honestly. I think Louis just are winding you up for the time being.
It's a blue, yeah, with blue rims. It's a blue underfit with blue rims. What music, Martin?
Look like somebody to the car. I think Louis just play a little childish, little mind game and I wind you up.
Them deep emotion and me I walk and I get deep breath and I want to take you to them tell me how torture man. I undercover torture that.
We're thinking really I got to do with the car. I'm not sell it.
Me have to do sell the wedding ring?
I really can't believe that no, him really did sell the ring. Yes. No. Jay, him really would have sell the car? Him not need a car. I saw do we love walk around with him two little tiny stick foot them. Him would have want a car for drive to.
I'm self him tricking, can't trick my darling. Trick who me?
Jay, him not sell a car them. I don't believe it.
Yeah, do say 1 week now, I not see me say, oh God. All them little things I do, I look at the 6 or 2 weeks, you understand me, baby, 14 days. You understand? Here, why I never stepped in. So, I never say with 7 man now. I come step to you, come do it. May I either do it? May I morals, you know? I don't want my next face to come. I just show you your friend them some of the blood clot queen.
But hang on a minute, him could not take it with him friend them.
So, you hear the man come from the life come say.
Me hear him, so no, me not understand. So why do we push back this in him friend them? Why him never step to you to them? Why him never step out time circle and come to you?
No man, he want me this up him friend them and then him say, you see it? We don't business to do it friend them more than them
but
trouble me trouble them.
Do we with a stand up there?
I don't care about do it friend them. Do it friend them, I know all of them. I don't have no personal none against none of them. I just know say maybe them have good talk to do, but nobody not do can't talk to do him. Just say, yeah man, my God. And then him
Hey, you should have tell him you need to use the car. You should have called him from in the hospital and said,
well, no, Cutey.
Do him need to buy some bits.
Cutey, I think you're busy with that. I have the Jeep. I think I'm busy with that. I never have a Jeep. I take a car for you, man. That's what people say. Me now, when me vex, I run left everything. You see what I mean now? Somebody run left do when me vex in a car, man. But do not do that. Do I take a car and run with the car? Me know when me vex, I come out of the blood clot car and stand the door and walk about my business. Do not do that. Do I take a car and drive left there?
No, me no man. She add me. See, many people them a tell me where you say about Cutey. No. I'm not rap with me. I'm gonna use this as no TikTok something. No, you know, with me name in
church when we used to go to Sunday school and I'm.
Where you say with church?
I want every shit to that church when we were young. When we used to go.
Ask your mother if you did.
Come just have one husband and him
just. Oh, mama be there.
Mommy there. You know you shut up. She don't want to tell you them. Maybe to do that.
Oh God, Jay, me not tell a lie, girl. You really got dreams. Hey, I swear.
Hey, Cutey. Hey. I do not tell her take that serious. I don't know why me still laugh.
What must say?
I'm still wearing.
Hey,
come on, see me a Cutey. This is me. Look. What must I do?
God make you strong in a Jay. Me not tell a lie.
See me up. You don't see me up. You don't think I some bomb me up? You don't think some used to you know somebody use and toast the bread? Like me used to toast and go so I slap him like...
Oh, God.
I need it for go step 37. Mr. Cutey. My girl at a party, I'm sit down flying by the girl.
Yeah, you know when I not understand? You didn't have a fight. Well, not have a fight.
But me telling her already, me tired, man. Me talking to me.
Me never hear White Star.
Who
Who hear White Star? Only hear about the licking part and hear about body up in a car. Me never hear that.
Man, him just done prayer. I said, do it at the end today. Let's pray. So I done pray. I tell them, say, the card in a year and you have to make the decision because me always attack. It's a 2 days after I come out of the hospital. So I say, do me have my kids, my face are traumatized me and you know, connect to me. I lay there run like a headless chicken and I get ignorant. I tell you walk with. Then you vex a couple hours and then me come talk back to you and we not get nowhere. So at that now, when we done pray now, I tell him to say the Lord is our Father and him say our Father. So do your time now. And him just sit down there like, he's so unbothered. You know, woman nothing, you not have to talk to me, you know.
So him never start prayer.
In prayer, and I say, Cutey, allow me no man. Cutey, leave me alone, darling. Cutey, leave me alone. Not contradict me. I said, when me done my prayer, me ask him if him know our Father and him pray and him say it. And then after me said him do the cards in your hand, him say, crazy. You say no one back at Inga, me say no what me want. No me ask you what you want. So I said the man, remember him one left me in a run go do any little thing I'm for song and wait for him, you know. But him don't know how to say it. You understand me? So really,
Come here, you pray for the life for Dewey.
Go on then.
Alright, am I starting it, yeah? God, as you can see all what's going on in Queenie life at this present moment, I need you to take shield and heed over her life with her and her husband, Lord. Lord, at this point and moment in life, she do not need a friend, she do not need anyone but you, Lord. Take control, Lord. Heal her heart, Lord. Heal Dewey heart, Lord. Amen. Jesus Christ. Guide and protect them, Lord Jesus Christ. Let Dewey return the care and go back to his wife, Lord Jesus Christ. What else you want to put tonight?
Thank you. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Cutey, doing that going with turn back and bring back no car.
In my return back.
Okay. I received that.
In my return back, I'm going to ask you, watch, and you're going to get back the car, your husband and come back to England to you too.
Cutey, shut up, Cutey. do not patronize me, Cutey.
You know, say she don't take nothing, but say serious.
Cutey. It's my faith and my faith. I don't believe in a people's faith. Me, I have to say what you want to Father God.
She don't take anything I say to her serious. You know, so I can't talk to her. She don't take my opinion serious. Even when I give my opinions, she not care. I when me I get positive advice, she don't take
That's
it.
That's what
I'm
the strong black woman I am.
Right.
I will listen.
You're right, but she love give people advice. She love
me no Cutey, not tell no lie. But Cutey, you know, say me not gonna people bomber club business and tell no lie for me now.
Me not listen to you.
Yes, but I give advice.
You give me advice. You give me advice, so don't tell me that.
Yes. Giving you advice don't mean to say me I demand you for you
but
to.
I'm not demanding you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You tell me.
I'm telling you what's gonna happen. We've all seen how we played that before. That's what's gonna happen.
Nobody know where I got me. Leave me alone. I'm not desperate. Me alright. Me single.
I never say you're desperate.
No man to me goodie.
So wait there before you're desperate. I know you're not desperate. What are you trying to say about yourself?
Desperate husband when me have little hopes. No, me not have no hopes with that. All my hopes gone. Not true. My hopes gone for true.
Me not pay you.
Me not care.
Me not pay you no man, Jay.
Alright, bye. Thank you.
Bye, Jay. Have a nice evening, Jay.
Love
Bring
you.
me back some patty, Jay.
You Cutey.
Are you bringing me back patty, Jay?
No Cutey, go on, man.
And some mango.
Mango. Don't mind you, Cutey. I will taste this you don't want. I gonna get 10 bucks a patty, you know, satisfied. I would just send for Adam. Somebody just asked for Adam. For Adam. How do who?
Queenie, wagwan.
They're excited, so they come live and them run. When I drive crazy, somebody said, Tanga, leave my friend alone. Leave her. You to come back here. I met them going. And now they talk to me, no go man. I need a little company. Like this man, I call my friend on 3 times. I hear me to myself now. When me like that we do it all 3 weeks, we don't hear from her. What's the thing said? When I was one time, my husband time. How I do it, woman? May I do it, wife? The business I do it, woman. Them I'm a mate. Woman, why so much mosquito in our kitchen, ma'am? I need rest.
Just take it easy, Queen. Take it easy.
I am easy. How are you?
Come on, big up yourself. Take it easy. Don't make a boy flip for you.
Thank you.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself to Madame. Bless up.